Imagine you're sitting at your desk, ready to tackle your workday. You open your Chrome browser and log into your RingCentral account. But wait, something's not right. Your phone calls aren't ringing through, your messages aren't loading, and your video conferencing is a disaster. What's going on? This has happened to countless people, and it's a frustrating experience. But is it really RingCentral's fault? Or is there something else at play? In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the compatibility between RingCentral and Chrome. We'll explore common issues, troubleshoot problems, and provide expert tips to ensure a smooth and seamless experience. Before we get into the specifics, let's understand why compatibility matters in the first place. RingCentral is a powerful cloud-based communication platform that integrates phone, messaging, and video conferencing into a single solution. Chrome, on the other hand, is one of the most popular web browsers in the world. When these two tools work together harmoniously, it can significantly enhance productivity and streamline communication. Common issues and troubleshooting. Now, let's address some of the most common issues people encounter when using RingCentral with Chrome. Browser extensions. Many browser extensions can interfere with RingCentral's functionality. To troubleshoot this, try disabling all extensions temporarily and see if the problem persists. If it does, enable them one by one to identify the culprit. Network connectivity. A weak or unstable internet connection can cause problems with RingCentral. Ensure you have a reliable connection and try restarting your router or modem. Outdated browser. RingCentral may not function properly with outdated versions of Chrome. Check for updates and install the latest version. RingCentral configuration. Sometimes, there might be an issue with your RingCentral account settings or configuration. Double-check your settings and ensure they are correct. Browser cache and cookies. Clearing your browser's cache and cookies can help resolve compatibility issues. Follow the instructions provided by Chrome to clear your browsing data. Expert tips. Here are some expert tips to optimize your RingCentral experience with Chrome. Use Chrome's incognito mode. If you're encountering persistent issues, try using Chrome's incognito mode. This mode disables extensions and clears browsing data upon closing, which can help isolate problems. Check RingCentral's support forums. If you're still having trouble, visit RingCentral's support forums. There's a good chance other users have encountered similar problems and shared solutions. Contact RingCentral support. If all else fails, don't hesitate to contact RingCentral's support team. They can provide personalized assistance and troubleshoot complex issues. Does RingCentral work with Chrome? The answer is yes, but it's important to be aware of potential compatibility issues and know how to troubleshoot them. By following the tips and advice in this video, you can ensure a smooth and seamless experience with RingCentral and Chrome. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Remember, if you have any questions or encounter further problems, feel free to leave a comment below. Good luck!